is this? Ooh, I have one to share because I got one of these. So this is awesome. Thank you. Hey, wait, there's pictures in here? I didn't even notice that yet. Cool. So this is her story. Very interesting. I'm on like page 10 or something. I read a little bit every day. Oh, I need this. I know what this is and I needed it because I have 2 and I completely need more for Friday. Yay! Cool. And it fits in this cute little case. Awesome. This is the beginning of anything you want. Congrats on an awesome launch party, Julie, and welcome to our Brilliant and Bold unit. I'm so excited to work with you and help you build the future for yourself that only you can create. Let me know what questions you have about anything in this Welcome to Our Unit bundle. Love, Paula. Somehow she managed to fit that perfectly in the cart. I don't know how you do this. Teach me. Cute. So the bumblebee is a symbol of, you know, scientists think that, well, there's a story that they thought that a bumblebee shouldn't be able to fly because of its engineering, but they can, and we're all bumblebees. And just because if you think you can, you can. That's what I'm going with. Boss babe, that's really cute. I love that. I need cool pens. Okay, let's save that one for last. What is this? This is heavy. She sent me all kinds of goodies. I got the Rockstar tile. How cute. Oh, cool. I'll put that on my fridge. Everything in pink. I love it. I love pink. Yay. I got a pin that says Mary Kay. Believe in your dreams and you will succeed. And then I have challenges to do. This is my work. Cool. Thank you, Paula. Oh, did I forget something? This is my prize for my first achievement to my first Mary Kay party that I'm throwing this Friday.